Is that Doo-Doo? Is that Dooley? Dooley's chewing on her bone. You're a good girl, Doo. Hank, what are you doing? Uh-oh. Oh, good. Did she just blow snot on you? Dooley. Hank, you're rolling over on Dooley. Okay. I guess I should intervene, maybe? Oh, maybe not. There you go, buddy. Roll this way. Are you stuck? Come on. Yep. Really? Really? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here we go. Got the bone. Oh, she got it back. She got it back. You're floppy today. You tired? Oh, throw a fit. Hank. Hank. Touchdown! Touchdown! Not gonna do it? Can you... We could do patty cake? Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it. Roll it. Yeah. Okay. It's hard to do when you're standing up. Are you hungry? Here we go. Dooley. Dooley. She's trying to play with you, Hank. Hey. Be easy. Are you pushing on her? Here. You need help? What's your problem is, kid? Here. Stand up. You want to stand up? You want to give me the stink eye? You want to lay on Dooley's head? What are you doing? Hank. What are you doing, buddy? You being silly? Yeah. Good girl, Doo. Say hi, Doo. Hey, do. Yay!
Where?
Hank. If you're if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yay! Oh, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What is? You give me the stink eye? You leaving? Bye.